Yes, so today we will going to do a cake decoration. Okay, so cupcake decoration. So you will experience how to decorate your own cupcake. Understand? Have you tried to decorate the cupcakes?
Yes.
Have you tried?
Yes.
Not
But
yet.
I
Okay,
failed.
so now this is a chocolate cake, and then you will going to decorate your cupcakes or your cakes using the different colors of the cream. Okay, so we have this like a rainbow color, blue color, yellow, pink, and what color is this? Purple. Okay, so now, when you are doing the decoration, so you have to use a piping bag, okay, and then there's a decoration tip. So when you hold this piping bag, you have to hold it softly or gently, okay? You don't have to press it hard, or else all the icing or the cream will come out. Okay, so now you need to hold this piping bag on the top. Okay, be gentle. Then get your cupcakes, and then you can decorate. It's up to you how you are going to decorate. Okay, for example, I will going to decorate this like a flowers. So press softly, turn around, and then stop like this. Okay, so now let's try this one. Okay, the color blue. So I can use this one color. Okay, okay, let's make like a line. So see, so I will start here. When your the piping bag, put the tip on the top of the cupcake case, then you have to press it gently here on this part. Press it gently. Okay? And then swirl it like this. Like a wave. Yeah, so it's up to you how you will decorate. And then let's try this, the color. Yellow. Okay, so we can do it like this one. Yeah. So it's up to you how you will decorate. Okay, and then pink color. Put it like this. Here, top, more. Okay, and then the purple. You can use the purple. Okay, so now, then if you're done to your decoration, then you can cover your cupcake and finish. Okay, so you want to try?